If you woke today with thoughts already pulling at you, tasks, expectations, unfinished conversations, pause here for a moment. This time is not about getting ahead of the day. It's about arriving fully inside yourself first. I'm Rhea Rivers, your guide for this morning reset. By the end of this meditation, your mind will feel clearer, your body more awake, and your sense of direction calmer and more assured. Take a slow breath in through your nose, letting the air fill your ribs, your back, your chest. Exhale gently through your mouth, as if you're clearing space for the day ahead. Again, inhale slowly and exhale fully, allowing your shoulders and jaw to soften. Imagine now that you are standing on a wide open plateau just as morning breaks. The ground beneath you is firm and even. The horizon stretches in every direction, nothing pressing in, nothing demanding your attention yet. The sky is pale and expansive, holding the quiet promise of a new beginning. Breathe in, feeling the steadiness of the earth beneath your feet. Exhale, and notice how your body naturally aligns when it's not rushing. At the center of the plateau, a smooth stone marker rises from the ground. Simple, unadorned, unmoved by weather or time. You walk toward it. As you place a hand on its surface, you feel a quiet realization settle in. You do not need to prove your worth this morning. Your presence is already enough. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Repeat gently in your mind. I begin this day grounded, not rushed. I move at a pace that honors my nervous system. The air around you feels clearer now. Your thoughts spread out instead of stacking on top of one another. Another insight rises, steady and true. Confidence is not loud certainty. It is the quiet decision to trust yourself step by step. Breathe in. Exhale fully. Repeat softly. I don't need to know everything yet. I only need to stay present with what's in front of me. The sun lifts higher, warming your shoulders and back. Not pushing you forward, just illuminating the path as it reveals itself. A deeper realization settles into your chest. I am most powerful when I am aligned, not pressured. When I choose clarity over urgency. Inhale slowly. Exhale gently. Repeat in your mind. I allow my day to unfold with intention. I meet challenges with steadiness, not resistance. You step back from the stone marker now, carrying its grounded energy within you. The plateau no longer feels vast or uncertain. It feels open, supportive, ready. One final truth emerges, clear, calm, and empowering. I do not chase confidence. I generate it by standing fully in myself. Take a slow, full breath in, and a long, unforced exhale. Repeat gently. Today I move forward grounded, aware, and self-trusting. That is more than enough. Feel this steadiness settle into your posture, your breath, your awareness. When you're ready, open your eyes, bringing this calm clarity with you into your morning. Subscribe and join the R&R Story Meditation community for more immersive, restorative morning journeys.